Alright, so let's try this again. So, hello people of YouTube. Today I am going to be doing the crochet faux locs again. Yeah, so I'm going to be starting off with a braiding pattern. Last time I did this, my braiding pattern messed up my style. It wasn't the best it could be, but I will be doing it the same exact way, just smaller braiding. The braiding in the middle with the zigzag portion, it allows for, it's best for pre-braided hair and straight hair. I read this on Pinterest. Best for those types of hair, and it allows for it to lay flat without any parts being exposed. So that's what I'm gonna do that. Alright, so I completed parting my hair. Well, not completed, but sectioned it off. It's not even straight. What the hell? No, it is not. Well, I need to straighten that out because I like to have my hair parted in the middle. Anyway, so I parted my hair down the middle, and then I stopped in this part right here, going ear to ear, and I made these two front. And then I proceeded to go to the back and then section off like the neck area. And then after I did that, I went halfway through this part, sort of halfway, and then created like side parts. So now there's like a full 360 of my hair parting off, and though this parting is gonna go like up and back and whatever, you'll see. And then the middle is gonna be the zigzag. Alright, so I finished half of my head. I was not able to do that braid up like how I wanted to, because my hair is so thin right here, and I could not grip that shit for the life. Like, even this braid is like loose as hell, and it's awkward to braid like this. It was just a mess, and I was struggling. I just could not do it. But anyway, yeah, something happened to my middle part. That thing was crisp, and then once I started braiding, it got messed up. It's just like, whatever, I don't care. I combined two braids together because leaving my hair out, it would take up too much space. It would be too bulky making all that one braid. So me braiding it down condenses my hair, as you can see. And yeah, my hair is too high of a density. If your hair is low density, you don't have to combine it, but my hair, too much. Back hair, I don't even know how the sides look, but it's going up, hopefully up as well. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 braids on one side, so that means 16 on the other. I mean, on the other, most likely. So 16 in total around my head.
She works nights by the water. She's gonna stray so far away from her father's daughter. She's once alive, I'm for a baby, all on her own, no one will come. She's gotta save him. She tells him, oh love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow up, have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do. So rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby, don't you cry. Oh, rockabye, oh, rockabye, oh, rockabye, bye, 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 bye. Now she's got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, trying to keep out the cold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe. When she says, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. got you rockabye, baby, rockabye.
So as you can see what I was saying, this part right here is where I wish I had the braid going up, but I can't do that. I can do that on someone's head, but not my own head. Damn, it took me an hour to do one side of my freaking head. So I'm gonna have to do a braid, a circular braid in the middle. And as I'm braiding it in, I'm gonna put these braids in, but it's gonna be a really small amount of hair I take, so it won't look so bulky. Alright, so I got my hair sectioned off to do that braid, to pick up my braids basically. And also that's gonna create what the hell? Make sure there's no like gap spaces in the middle like there was last time. And the parting is fugly because I just used my fingers. I didn't have time for that. My head is real tender in the middle, so that whole time I wasn't even recording, but it's probably for the best because I have over an hour of footage and I didn't even get to the crocheting yet. But anyway, so yeah, I braided it down. I braided both of them down, still making sure that my braids are exposed, not braiding over the little mini braids going up. And what I'm gonna do is cross them over and like crochet them in like this, so it's laying really flat. Now I'm gonna go in and do my little zigzagging motion and show y'all the difference it's gonna be, because I'm actually gonna take my time, even though I got places to be, but whatever, it's not urgent. Well, I finally finished braiding everything. This is what it's looking like. I did not part that section because that was not about to work, but it's whatever. They're relatively the same thickness, and as you can see right here, I don't have that thick bulky braid like I did. I'm just gonna crochet these braids into my braids. So the bottom portion might be too bulky, but I don't give a shit as long as the front isn't. Alright y'all, so I'm finally gonna put this crochet here in. Yeah, this is like the second day I had these braids and no crochet here. What I did was I rinsed them using apple cider vinegar, diluted in my tub, and then I sprayed it down with some sheen spray. So yeah, let's talk about some tips, I guess. So what I did before is, I don't even know, but I'm trying to start around the perimeter first, and now I'm working my way up so I can see where I need to fill in and all that. I'm gonna start at this braid. I'm gonna start angling it back so the hair can fall back. So if you angle it forward, and when you tie it, the hair is gonna fall forward, and that's why I was annoyed with my hair the whole time. So yeah, I'm gonna start as close as possible to the roots, and yeah, that's basically it. Oh. And this is hair that I used before, so that's why it looks like this.
I don't know when you're not there. Give you my love, but you.
And I'm not really whispering, but I can't talk loud right now because it's the morning. It's like 8:30 in the morning, and I hate yelling. So I noticed that in my videos I sound like I'm talking low. Most of the time it's not even morning, but right now it is morning, and I feel like I'm talking really low. But I don't like talking loud. It takes too much energy.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love?
the perimeter. I'm on to the middle. I'm hoping I have enough hair, but whatever. So with the bigger braids in the middle, I'm actually gonna go through the braid, not under the braid, so I won't have like tension on my scalp. The smaller braids, you won't really feel that, but the bigger braids, not only will the crochet loosen quicker, but also it'll really hurt. So that's what I'm gonna do.
She works nights by the water.
Hello, so you guys, as you guys can see, I finished, and as you guys also saw, there's this big ass bunch. It's not really on this side though, and I know exactly why, because I combined, like first I crossed over the ending braids, and then there's like one more extra braid over here, so that's why you got that bulky action, or it's bothering me. I'm gonna fix it later, because if this is gonna be a redo, I gotta redo it right. I want it to lay seamlessly just like the front, so I know exactly what I'm gonna do to fix that. Instead of crossing the braids over, I'm actually gonna bring them straight up. You guys see later. And as you can see, there's this little gap. I literally need like one more lock, because that's what I did on this side. I filled it in and it looks seamless, so maybe I should keep it. Alright y'all, so I'm coming on here really quick to talk about my hair. Hopefully my phone doesn't run out of storage. Anyway, so as you can see, there's like this whatever the hell. I refuse to put any crochet hair in the front of my hair because I'm not trying to lose any edges. I recommend that you don't do that as well. I could have used maybe half another pack, but it looks fine the way it is. I fixed the excessive bulkiness in the back by simply taking that extra braid, because this side had an extra braid compared to this side. So I took that one and looped it up through the middle. Sorry I didn't record it, but it was late at night, so no sunlight for me. And then I just crossed the other ones, so now I was laying flatter, and yeah, that's basically it. I don't really know what else. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I fixed it. Definitely looks way better than before. My main concern was it not laying flat in the front. It's not laying flat. It's even flat in the back to a degree, flat as it's gonna get. And it could be flatter depending on how much hair you have, and how much, like how thick your hair is, and how the length of your hair, and how much density, how high of a density your hair is, and even how big of a damn occipital bone you have. That's that bone that protrudes your head, part of your head that protrudes out. I have a big ass one of those. So yeah, just wanted to talk about that. And yeah, it looks whatever. All I need to do is lay my baby hairs, and it looks really put together, but I refuse to lay my baby hairs every day because ain't nobody got time for that. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightly